Taika Waititi is a very talented director that has leaned a little bit too much on his brand of comedy. Now, I know that his brand of comedy has brought a lot of laughs. There are several laughs during this movie, but unfortunately, it felt really dragged out, and that was to the detriment of this story. The story, which I didn't realize was a true story until the end credits of this movie, where they kind of do the sports movie thing where they tell you about where people are or what happened to them. So realizing that fact, I was really kind of disappointed with the amount of levity that the story was treated with. There's so much heart to the story. This is what I would say is a good story in a bad movie, which is really unfortunate because I feel like if this movie was given the seriousness it deserved, it could have been a really well-received film. This movie.